Yes, I'm Ghostface from Golden State. I'm shocked and bothered. Sydney wants to run away. Won't answer me after 10 rings. In fact, he's just another legendary slave. You are in pain in your bedroom, killing Olivia and guarding her so smooth. Oh, what a thrill in killing you. Made up of these 3 words I'll dial and say to you. I just called to say I'll kill you. I just called to hear how much I scare. I just called to say I'll kill you. And I'm screaming while I'm tearing you apart. Sydney